Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi my YouTube family, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to teach you a quick onion potato pakoras. This is vegetable pakora and it's going to be very quick. So I just cut one onion and 1 inch ginger grated, and I have 1 potato grated and 1 green chili pepper chopped and seeded, and I'm mixing all this in a large bowl at this moment. So I'm not cooking anything right now, I'm just mixing everything to create a batter. So I have a bunch of spices. I have salt and I have red chili pepper, garam masala, vegetable masala, cumin and coriander powder, and like a bit of asafoetida and a little bit of baking soda, about 1/8 teaspoon. So giving all the measurements on the side, you can see. So right now I'm just going to mix everything nicely, and I'm going to add to this 2 cups of ground flour, which is the base of the pakora. So I have all the vegetables, all the spices, green chili pepper, and you can cut green cilantro. Just wash it and cut it in small berries, chop it up very small pieces and add to it, and then just mix everything. And I'm going to add about 1.5 cup of water, slowly adding. So after I mix all this, so potatoes will release some water. And now to this batter, if you wish, you can add scallions, the green onions to it, and that will give taste too. And then you can add some finely chopped eggplant, so that's good too. And you can mess up some potatoes and add it. So you can add varieties of things. I already grated potato and added, so we can do lots of variation. But this will add to your Christmas table appetizer. So I'm adding 1 cup of water, and I need another cup, at least half a cup. So these are different variations for your Christmas party or getting together with your family and friends, and you can add this variation of pakoras, vegetable pakoras. So I did my video about zucchini fritters, and these are also another kind of fritters with vegetable, but this is deep fried, and zucchini fritters are just pan fried. So I'm going to add some more water. So here the trick is to have perfect batter, to have the perfect pakoras. And your baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon, is very important because that's going to make it nice and just going to make it tough, otherwise they're going to be harder. So they're soft, and make sure that your batter and the perfect consistency. So just add water very slowly. Don't make the batter too runny, don't make it too hard or thick. So just right, just right. So taste the batter, make sure the salt and pepper, everything is enough. Now pakoras tend to be a little bit spicy, that's what it tastes good. So you can add more red chili pepper, or you can add green chili pepper seeded and chopped. Now I'm gonna get my water, my oil ready. So I have here enough oil to fry it. So I'm going to test it a little bit by dropping a little bit in it to see if it's sizzling, and then means the oil is ready. So now you can see that it's sizzling, that means the oil is ready. So I'm going to drop by the spoonful, and be sure not to crowd it too much, since this is a small frying pan. I'm going to add about 5 or 6, no more than that, and then let it cook one side and then turn. Be very patient, do not be impatient season with the pakoras on their own break, and they will also make your oil dirty once they break. So not only you lose the pakora, you lose the oil too. So just be patient, let it cook one side thoroughly, and keep your heat to medium heat, and just cook. And just in the meantime, while they're cooking, keep checking often so they don't get burned. And you can make some green chutney. Green chutney goes great with it, and it's very easy to make. How you make your green chutney, and have videos. I will link to this one. I'll put it in the description how to make the green chutney. So what you're going to do is wash and clean 2 bunches of cilantro, and then you blend it and add some ginger, add some garlic, add some green chili peppers, some lemon juice, and some roasted cumin. Just roast the cumin and dry roasting, and then grind it, roasted grinded cumin, little bit of salt. You're going to add some black pepper to it, and lemon juice must, and then you have it. Your green chutney. This green chutney goes great with the pakoras, because as you know, the pakoras are fried, so it's very acidic. So green chutney is alkalizing, so with acidic fruit you have to eat something alkalizing for green chutney. So we're going to turn it just a couple of times, these pakoras, and then when it's really golden brown, then we're going to take it out. We are going to make it dark. I'm just going to make it just golden brown, and then keep it up in our paper towel. And these are awesome to go on the appetizer table. You can eat it as a side dish as well. You can eat it with rice and lentil soup, and this pakora by itself, or rice, lentil soup, pakora, and pakora tastes so great. I'm going to give you a few recipes varieties to have you there. Just quick dinner recipe and very tasty. So yeah, make it and enjoy it for your Christmas, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, and I will see you with many more new ingredients. And just keep checking, I have a lot more recipes coming. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.